What are we gonna do with the Marvic Air 2?
We're gonna open the box.
We're gonna open the box, see what's in there.
First time opening the box. I'm never very good at these things.
That's alright, it's a skill.
Where do these go? These go into your phone and to there.
So eventually you'll read the manual. Will you read the manual, or will you just like play around with things until you figure it out?
Well, I think we need to charge all this shit. I should probably get my pilot's license.
Good
Are
idea.
you videotaping this right
Totally, yeah.
Fuck you.
It's gonna be a great first video for our channel. The channel that will have our friends and family follow us on our cross Canada trip on a motorcycle. And Mike decided it'd be a good idea to get a drone to follow us
And here's our first web poll.
yeah.
What's more likely to happen? A, we crash the drone. B, we crash the bike.
What? Why would you even put that on a poll?
Because it's an interesting poll.
Or C, nothing crashes.
Or D, Tina kills me.
What? I'm not killing anyone. I don't even like blood. There's a reason why I'm a social worker and not a nurse.
Stay tuned to find out.
Stay tuned to find out.
In episode 2 and 3, we'll tell you more about what the poll results actually happened.
Right. Exactly. Now I'm going to have to figure out how to put a poll in the comments section. And then you guys can all vote. I'll put the poll there. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like us so that you know when we post our next video. Our trip will start on August 1st.
Is there a thumbs down?
I don't know, but ours isn't going to have a thumbs down.
But they might not like us.
Who wouldn't like us? Anyways, follow us. This is our first YouTube video for our channel, and
remember, this video is brought to you by Blue Buck.
We're not
actually, they didn't bring in anything to you, so fuck them. But
but
anyways,
we like Blue
it's
Buck.
good beer.
It's
So,
good beer.